Hey everybody, so I wanted to take a moment and update on my last video about my landing gear. We changed that hydraulic valve, cartridge valve in the landing gear, and on camera it seemed to work just fine after that, and it did hold for a little while, but then a couple days later when we hooked up, I was having not the same issues. It actually was different. It actually started affecting the driver's side hydraulic jack, and so I did more research, did some more troubleshooting. Long story short, I ended up replacing the passenger side jack, thinking, because everything was showing that it was the passenger side jack was bad. Replaced it, and things got worse even after that. So I took the old one off the passenger side and put it on the driver's side, and that was probably about 2 months ago, a month and a half, 2 months ago, and we've had zero issues with it now. So everything was showing. I mean, yeah, that hydraulic valve, there was something in it which was causing problems. That didn't really fix all of the issues, but now we're good to go. So I think what had happened is that the driver's side hydraulic ram, the seals in there were having a leak by, and that's what's been giving us the problems all these years. And it's just progressively got worse, but now we're all fixed up, and we're good to go. I haven't had any drifting on it at all. I don't know if you guys noticed that I had actually put some orange tape, electrical tape, on the jack on my snap pad, so I could actually see in the rearview mirror, and using landmarks on the truck I could see if it was drifting down or not, or if it had drifted down. So anyway, just wanted to update the situation that we had going on with that, and let everybody know that it wasn't necessarily the hydraulic valve, the cartridge valve, but at the end of the day it was the hydraulic ram, and everything showed that it was one of them, and it ended up being the other one. But yeah, we're good to go now, and I hope this video helps somebody. Sorry I didn't do a video on changing it out, but it's actually pretty straightforward to do. A little bit messy with hydraulic fluid, well, transmission fluid, but it's a hydraulic fluid. So anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you next time.